Yeah.
The song is dedicated to Trace. Happy birthday, and we love you. This is for my sister, sister. 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 Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yo, today's your birthday, yo. It's time to celebrate. 24 years old, man. I think I'm supposed to say you was born January 20, 1984. You my sister, and I'ma love you for sure. See, I'ma keep it real, and I'ma keep it fresh. And you my older sister, so I'ma love you to death. See, I will go to the end of the world just for you. You my sister. Happy birthday, sis. You know I love you. Happy birthday to 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 you.
Aww.